What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Look, bro, I want you to imagine how fast your life would actually change if you just stopped scanning the trenches for that one miracle coin and stopped losing your money trading. Let's be real, every single time you hit buy, the chart instantly dumps, you get consistently rugged, or the dev doesn't burn the liquidity and you literally get robbed. It's a fucking joke, bro. And let's face the facts, nobody can actually predict which token is going to hit a $1 million or $2 million market cap. But you know what we can predict? We can use the exact formula I'm giving you today to make absolutely stupid money by launching these meme coins instead. Nobody is talking about this yet, but if you don't know about creator rewards, you are missing out on an untapped gold mine. Bro, there is literally one singular guy out here who made over $100,000 in 24 hours just from launching one single coin. That's why I'm making this video. Keep watching. Before we start, make sure you watch till the end. I'll be dropping one soul anywhere in this video. Do you see my phantom wallet? Yeah, I'm sure, $9.1 million. And this is all from deving meme coins, not by trading. That's why I'm making this video to show you how it works. Now, most people in the space don't lose money in meme coins because they cannot spot trends or because they're bad at trading. They lose because they just buy coins and then they get completely liquidated by the dev, okay? That's the truth. They enter after the excitement is already done, and after that, the person who launched the coin takes advantage of that demand and takes their money basically. And that's exactly why me and a bunch of experienced traders and major KOS like Orangey and all of those people are stepping away from trading and going into deving. It's simply the better option because it's way more profitable. It's as simple as that. When you trade meme coins, you could lose your money at any given moment to these coins like this. But if you dev, you are risking nothing. You are launching meme coins for completely nothing. $0, right? Now, launching in 2026 has become way more popular, but it's still really lucrative and really untapped. If you go on YouTube and you type how to dev meme coins, I might be one of the only YouTubers posting. It's so untapped. That's exactly why I'm making this video. So keep watching because I'm going to show you everything. And by the way, bro, it's all free. I do not sell a course. And this video is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. So please, bro, just do your own research. Alright, so when someone decides they want to step up and dev a meme coin, they almost always look straight at Pump.Fun. I'm telling you, 95% of the market is blindly launching their tokens on there right now. It's the most popular platform, that's a fact. But here is the brutal reality. Pump.Fun is insanely saturated, bro. Coins are launching non-stop and the vast majority of them lose all momentum instantly. If you're still dropping your coins there, you aren't deving, you're just gambling, you're just sitting there hoping your chart magically goes viral, which is literally impossible. On top of that, there's a massive catch. Pump.Fun literally holds your liquidity pool hostage and skims a percentage right off your creator fees. You are literally losing total control and your own money, bro. Look, bro, as a dev, your absolute main focus has to be getting your tokens straight onto the Radium DEX. That is where the real traders are, and it's where the massive pools of liquidity are actually sitting. All the real volume rests right there. Now, normally to get to that point, you have to drop your coin on Pump.Fun and battle it out in the trenches just to hit that $55,000 market cap. But bro, there is a massive shortcut, and this is exactly why I completely switched over to using launchmeme.fun to launch my meme coins. Literally every single token you deploy through launchmeme.fun completely skips that bonding curve and goes straight to Radium. You instantly level up to the DEX, putting your chart in front of thousands of active buyers right on the spot. Now, to make a meme coin, you have two strategies. The first way to make a coin is using the Create Coin tab. It's the main page. And here is where you can make a custom coin by going on X, going on any social media platform, and looking for a narrative. For example, bro, there's a war going on. That is a really good narrative. Also, there were a couple TikTok memes that went viral. Those are good too. But once you have a narrative, come back to launchmeme.fun, invent a name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick logo, and then your meme coin is custom made after these steps. But I like to use the second method. I've personally grown my entire portfolio from the copy trending coin strategy. Basically, all these coins right here are all going viral on Pump.Fun. They all have a huge community and a bunch of volume on these coins, which means if you copy a coin here to Radium, but you have a higher chance of getting a bunch of people onto your coin, and you don't need to look for a custom narrative, you can just copy one here if you are lazy. That's exactly why I vamp coins. Alright guys, now it's time for the best part of this video, and that is doing a live example on how to copy or vamp a coin, and then we'll see how much we can make potentially on this launch by the end of the video. I will cash out, I will do everything bro, and then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I'm going to copy the Memecoin coin, click to copy the Radium. Oops, I think I forgot to connect the wallet. Just simply connect your wallet and then again click copy to Radium. Wait for your phantom wallet to pop up and then ignore the block. Click on proceed. Confirm, I understand, confirm, and the coin should be vamped. Okay, just give it some time. And boom, the token is officially live on Solana Explorer. Now if I click view on SolScan, you guys can see that it was minted 15 seconds ago. Everything is working. It's live on the Solana blockchain. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really simple. It's actually easier to do it than to say it. Now here is where we create the Radium liquidity pool. It's pretty straightforward. Basically, when we create the pool, well, we will own the coins in our wallet. We will have the supply before everyone else, and it will launch directly to Radium. Now, for the amount of Memecoin coins, click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens. For the second step, the amount of the pair that's the first by the first transaction in your own coin, which you will be putting. You are not losing anything here because when you cash out later, all this right here that you put for the supply will come back right to you in your phantom wallet. I'm gonna put 3 souls, click on create pool, wait for your phantom wallet to pop up real quick and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand and then confirm. Now your token is open for trade. After that bro, when that is done, then scroll down and boom, the Memecoin coin is now live and your profits are going to be right there. And if you click on the refresh button, you can see your metrics. For example, right now, within a couple of seconds, we're up $129. Now click on view on Photon. Our token is live and gaining some green profits, but to add spice to the token, I'm going to use a quick promotion tool which boosts the token. So head over to promote-memes.fun. Forget about wasting hours manually posting. This site gets you instant exposure on Deck Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this NMF, select Radium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote. Approve the transaction and you are done. Now just watch. It's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So jump back to your Photon and see the live chart of your token. If I had to guess, I think we're up around 2,000 or 3,000 bucks. Bang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my God, bro. More people are buying in. I think we're up like $12,000 right now if I had to guess. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally $0 and now a bunch of people are buying in. That's exactly why people are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm going to give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. Alright guys, I am back and bang bro, we are up to a $27,000 market cap and it has only been like a couple minutes, like it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. Now I think I'm gonna, dump it. So Come back to launch Meme.Fun real quick and then click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, bro, we are going to receive around $18,000. It does change. The coin could go down or higher. So yeah, now click on the minus button really fast, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wallet to pop up and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and boom, bro. That's exactly how you dev a coin and then cash out. But look, if I open my phantom wallet, I receive the money, which is about $18,000 and 227 Sol in my phantom wallet. Now, bro, do not get me wrong, okay? The results will vary from one to the other. I've seen people make 100,000 from one coin within minutes. I have seen people make even a 100 bucks, 20 bucks, 50, 0, you never know, bro. And that is exactly what makes deving so fun. It's up to you to stay consistent every single day, bro. All websites which I use in this video will be linked in the comments, and good luck to everyone who gonna make coin. Before you go and start building, I want to give one of you a head start. I'm giving away 1 Sol to one person to help cover your first deployment costs. Here is how to enter. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video. Drop a comment below with the word rug pull. I'll be picking the winner in exactly 48 hours. I'm announcing it on my Telegram channel. Make sure you follow, because without following, you won't be eligible to receive any Sol coins. I regularly post lots of giveaways there, so don't miss out.